Hey guys, so in this quick video I want to share with you the comparison between the PhpStorm and Visual Studio Code for the Laravel. So with the Visual Studio Code, what you have to be aware of is that it's lightweight and very fast startup. Performance depends on extension installed, of course. So that's like for the VSCode. Now with the PhpStorm on the other end, it's like heavier IDE, and it can be like slower on weaker machines, and also it's optimized for PHP, but also you get like other resources. Now the Laravel and PHP features, so the VS Code, you need extensions for it, interference, Laravel blade snippets, etc. Good syntax, light highlighting, auto completion, linting debugging, and it doesn't have native deep Laravel integration. So the PhpStorm, it got the Laravel support, especially for Pro Edition. You got also smart completion, automatic imports, blade template support, root navigation, eloquent model auto-completion. Database and tools for the VS Code. Database supports through the extensions, SQL tools, needs third-party tools for migration. On the PhpStorm, it integrated database tools, query runner, schema view, DB, refactoring. Now, so like the PhpStorm got a little bit higher learning curve comparing to VS Code. And PhpStorm, you have like free trial available, so that's something that you have to be aware of, that at one point you just have to like pay for it. So yeah. Now if you focus on professional large Laravel applications, you want to go with PhpStorm, but on the other hand, VS Code is going to be also sufficient. So thank you very much for watching. I just want to make this like quick and effective video for you, and have a great day and goodbye.